Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Python 3.11 or the latest stable release and confirming Python version. Once done, create a project folder and initialize a virtual environment, Python mvenv. Venv. Activate the venv so dependencies stay local. Make sure to open the folder in a lightweight editor like VS Code and enable the Python extension. You'll write a minimal script file, main, py, and run it with Python main. Py to confirm the runtime is working. This gets you coding immediately. You now structure the app. Separate main, modules, and tests so code stays manageable. Once files exist, define requirements and install them with pip install r requirements. TXT or use piproject. TOML for modern packaging. Write small, testable functions with clear docstrings and type hints. This helps both execution and future maintenance. Make sure to run unit tests frequently and use linting tools to enforce PEP8. If performance matters, profile hotspots rather than guessing where to optimize. You finish by creating an entry point, CLI or API, and updating README and version metadata. Once stable, package with setup tools or containerize using Docker for consistent deployment. Run integration tests, then deploy to your chosen environment. If something breaks, reproduce the error locally, isolate the failing test or function, and add targeted logging to capture state. Make sure to revert to a stable commit if needed, and add a failing test before fixing, so the problem stays resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.